The Zebra DS2278 Cordless Imager Kit offers an ergonomic and lightweight design, ensuring all-day comfort for workers in scan-intensive environments. With its ability to scan both one-dimensional and two-dimensional barcodes, this imager excels in capturing data from mobile devices, items for sale, and electronic coupons. The durable construction, including a scratch-resistant exit window and frictionless liquid polymer scan element, ensures reliable performance and longevity. Thanks to its plug-and-play simplicity, the DS2278 is easy to deploy and requires minimal setup time, allowing businesses to quickly integrate it into their point-of-sale systems. The omni-directional scanning capability means users do not have to align the imager perfectly with barcodes, making scanning more efficient and user-friendly. Built with retail and hospitality businesses in mind, the Zebra DS2278 keeps transactions swift and lines moving smoothly, enhancing customer satisfaction.